Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open the Chase app and sign in. Make sure your phone already has Face ID enrolled and a device passcode set. Once done, navigate to the Profile or Settings area. This is where authentication options live. You need the latest app version and a stable connection so the app can verify device capabilities. Tap Security or Login Preferences and choose Biometrics. This first step registers the app to use the phone's system-level Face ID rather than creating a separate Chase PIN. You'll see an Enable Face ID or Use Face ID toggle. Tap it to begin. The app asks permission to use system authentication. Grant that so Chase can call Face ID when logging in. Then follow prompts. Position your face in the frame, hold steady, and slowly rotate if asked so the phone captures multiple angles. This step links your enrolled Face ID to Chase sessions for quick sign-ins. Make sure ambient light is adequate because poor lighting can cause enrollment errors and require a retry. Once enrollment completes, you should see Face ID marked active. Test it by signing out and signing back in to confirm immediate access. If it fails, make sure Face ID is enabled in iPhone settings under Face ID and passcode, then re-enable for apps. If problems persist, reboot your phone, clear the app cache, or reinstall the Chase app to reset permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: re-enroll Face ID on the iPhone first. Most Chase errors stem from device-level Face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.